My own love said to me, my mother won't mind, and my father won't slight you for your lack of kind. And she stepped away from me, and this she did say: it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. She stepped away from me, and she moved through the fair. And slowly I watched her move here and move there. She went her way homeward with one star awake, as the swan in the evening moves over the lake. Last night I dreamt that my young love came in. So softly she entered, her feet made no din. She came in beside me, and this she did say: it will not be long, love, till our wedding day. It will not be long, love, till our wedding